Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we'll check how to use your own image here on Leonardo AI. So let's start. So for example, we are here on Leonardo AI. Just click on consist characters or whatever you want. In this case I would use it, and then just let's scroll down and let's get start. And here, well, I have this project, but let's create another one. Just go to this icon that says picture and just create it, and just select the option that you want. Let's create this package, and then you have to here upload your picture, and then, well, you have to select your picture here on your computer. As you can see, I select this one and just select this and confirm. In this way you will use this picture as reference, and you can upload your own picture here on Leonardo AI for creating more image. So as you can see, it's very easy to do it. So now just you have to work on this picture. Well guys, I hope it works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a like to this video.